These are the top 5 terrifying siren sounds in the world. The last one sounds like siren heads. Comment which one you think is the most terrifying. But first, you will have incredible luck if you like and subscribe to my channel until this video ends. First is Yamaha music siren. This sound is so scary. Next is KTG-10. This sound makes me pee in my pants. Next is 2T22 siren. This sound really hurts my ears. Next is tornado siren. This is actually so terrifying. Next is Thunderbolt 1003.